Meaning of fatigue.
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 Fatigue. Fatigue refers to a state of physical or mental exhaustion caused by prolonged or excessive activity. It is often accompanied by feelings of tiredness, weakness, and a reduced capacity for work or concentration. Fatigue can result from a variety of factors, including lack of sleep, overexertion, stress, illness, or poor nutrition. Symptoms of fatigue may include difficulty thinking or concentrating, feelings of irritability or frustration, and a reduced ability to perform daily activities. In severe cases, fatigue can lead to a total loss of energy and motivation, and may require medical treatment.